guys, it's Jamie with Loving All Seasons, and I'm here today with a haul. If you're brand new here, I love hauls, shop with me's, decorates. I love decorating for all the seasons. This is Wolfgang, my dog. Doing it a little different outside, but honestly it's not working. I got noises from the air condition, noises from the house, birds are walking like crazy, so probably not the best idea today. But I do have a haul, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. I have it for several different stores. I've been checking out TJ Maxx, Home Goods, all those places for Rae Dunn, and it's just not out there, guys. So this is what we got. I have some 4th of July. I have some Hobby Lobby from their 75 to 90% off. I have some footage if you guys would like me to post that as a separate video. Comment below if you'd like to see what's in the stores if you walk up and down the aisles. All the red tags. I also have Dollar Tree. I have one thing from Home Goods, and that is it. So let's hop in. I think we're gonna do Dollar Tree first, real quick. So I finally got the signs in my store. Fresh Flower Market. These are so stinking cute, you guys. Read it and weep. The Farmer Market one with these. I like what you can do with these, you guys, is you could take these off, put them around a wreath. You could put them in a picture frame. There's so much you could do with these small little, you know, pieces of, I don't know if they're just supposed to be herbs or what, but super cute. I was so excited to finally find them. These I really love. But you know what stinks about them is if you put them outside and it rains. But so cute, right? I was really happy to see these in my store. I gotta tell you, Dollar Tree is like kind of eh. Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, eh. Especially when it comes to Rae Dunn. Staying Alive. This is cute with the little... We got a little flower, another flower, and then your little, so your shovel and like your little scraper, 3-prong scraper. Super cute. That's it for the signs. Next, I picked these up, you guys. So if you see them out there and you are doing, it was in the party section, so it was not up front by summer or anything like that, but they're in the shape of a lemon. You get 16 in them, but really cute to put out in your kitchens if you guys are doing lemon. And I know people are saying they're having a hard time finding stuff. All right, then I grabbed a couple of these. I've never had the spotlight ones. I've never purchased them, but I have purchased their small, you know, little lights. They're solar lights. And let me know, comment below, have you guys ever purchased the spotlight ones, and how are they? I think I grabbed 4. I only have 3 here, but there's a 4th one somewhere for outside. Yeah, I thought these actually might be cool later in the seasons for like Halloween, and if you want a spotlight on something, not just for the summertime. All right, what else? Oh, I have this 2-pack of cups. I thought it was really cute. I like it's like a to-go cup. I realized a lot of my to-go cups for the summertime, I use a lot of those insulated ones to keep things cold, but every once in a while I just want a little small cup like this to throw my iced coffee or whatever, water, different things in it. And this has like the flamingos, the birds. It says I'm feeling those tropical vibes, more some sun please, tropical life, and it has the little margarita. Really cute. Then I grabbed these two, and I am going to try to put decals on these, like water cups. So, what else? Oh, these. So they're 20 miniature cups. But I thought for the 4th of July, I mean, we can do different things in here. You could do Jello shots. People do shots with that. But I'm thinking decorating on the tiered trays would be really cute. Yeah, so, and it comes, like I said, there's 20 in a pack. And you get probably 10 of the blue and 10 of the red. And they have little stars on them. And we picked up a couple candies. I like to grab these sometimes, so like if we do a movie night, things like that. We have a big thing we put out here to do movies at night, which is really cool. We'll probably be doing that pretty soon. It's been getting pretty hot here though. My husband does not like the heat, and I'll be honest, I'm getting right there with him. Alright, I think that is it for Dollar Tree. Just small stuff that I've been finding here and there. One thing that I did find I really love are these napkins. And it's kind of what I'm going for. I told you, with the hot dogs, the ice cream, you know, the summer atmosphere for 4th of July, that fun vibe. These were Home Goods at $4.99. I'm trying to see how many you get. Woofers. Come here, baby. He's like, keeps walking by me. Come here. It's too hot out here for him. Come here. Come here, but he had to be out here with me. He had to be out here. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. Anyways, next is Target. So at Target, I picked up these lights. I wonder if these are on timers. That's what I like, is if it has a timer. There's 8 of them. These were $5. Pull them out here. Or if they like twinkle, I love when they do the extra stuff. They're really cute. I'm trying to see to let you guys know if there's a timer. LED lights. You know what? I don't think these do. Darn it. That's what I love about. I love the timer ones. Yeah, it's just off and on. I wish I would have seen them with the timer. The next item is these towels. I thought these were really cute. These were 2 sets of dish towels, $5. Home Sweet Home, and it has the stars. This one has the blue, and then it has the little, I don't know, this stitching makes me think of when I was a kid, because it was on a lot of stuff. I forget what it's called, and I'm sure you ladies out there know, but it was on a lot of the clothing, on the, you know, caps of your shirt, or around your neck, or different things. And then I grabbed this one. So this one says, let's eat, drink, and barbecue. This is really more like my husband's kind of style. I remember I told you I picked up one of these that I was thinking about giving to him. That way he could set all his sauces, all his stuff. And I don't care if it gets messed up. It was only $5. But these trays are really nice. If you guys don't want it for this saying, you can paint them. Do whatever. Make it your own, right? So really cute. That was in the $5, you know, the dollar spot section. That's it for Target. This is fast today. We're on it. On it. Next thing is Hobby Lobby. This item, yes, I paid regular price. Normally I don't do that. They're $3.99. But look at these little Uncle Sam top hats. They're really cute. These will be adorable onto your trays, and I am going to finally try to make the little marshmallow, the marshmallow guy that I know a lot of you also watch Happiness is Homemade for, and she made them. I went out and bought all the stuff, and hadn't made them. So I'm gonna see, I think these would look cute on them. I don't know if they'll be too small, but they'll look cute in the tier trays or over by my coffee bar, things like that. So my scores that I found that I was like, yeah, I really could use these, is this wastebasket. I really love this. We need one actually in our bathroom. We've needed it for a long time. And we keep just using, you know, little store bags. So this was $7.49 is what I paid, but it was originally $29.99. Now, please comment below, you guys, if you guys watch this video and you'd like to see what I shot while I was in Hobby Lobby. I will post that this weekend. I'll upload it, but I found this. Now, I know it's probably meant more for like spring and things like, but don't you think you could go into fall? My fall lovers out there, this was only $6.99. Okay, it was originally $27.99, but it has the amber glass bottles with the fern, things like that. Let me know, comment below, please let me know, what do you think this could be fall? Like I could have this up around fall, and I get like people are like, put it up if you love it, have it up all year. But you know, I like to switch things out, especially when it comes to fall, and that's exactly what I was thinking. That is my haul today. That's it. So, my ones that are Ray Gun lovers that watch this channel, what's going on, right? And even my Dollar Tree people, like, what's going on? It's all the same stuff. I know this time of year is kind of a low, but it really is very. I'm seeing the same things over and over again. I want to know what you guys are doing now. Like, are you guys on the hunt for anything, or are you just kind of dealing with what you got? And, you know, or crafting. Are you guys crafting? Are you making items for throughout your house, for tier trays, for coffee bars? You know, I know this is the time of year a lot of people are like, well, we're doing family stuff. So it's about to be here, camping trips, all that fun stuff, bonfires. I love it. So this is my background. That's my little flower garden. It's slowly starting, things are starting to bud, and I'm excited. But yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Stick around. There'll be more to come, but I wanted to get this up to you today and just kind of see how everybody was doing. I will be going back to work. Little update. My longtime subscribers that have stuck around, I'm still having some issues. I don't need surgery, which is good, but I'm still going to physical therapy, but I can go back to work. So that's a good thing, and I'm excited about that. But yeah, so you know what? Be kind to one another, love one another, and I'll see you next time.